In a forest once known for harmony, voices had turned sharp. The lion roared over territory, the monkeys quarreled over fruit, the elephants claimed the watering holes as theirs. And so the wild began to tear itself apart. But deep beneath the roots, where time itself slows down, an ancient turtle named Tamu listened to the noise above. And as the forest shouted, he began to think, the forest has forgotten peace, perhaps it is time. We ask the turtle. Him, he takes a week to finish a sentence, but even the river waits for the mountains to speak. Let's hear him. When the forest argues, no one drinks, for even the water fears to flow. The turtle's council began. Each day a new animal came with a quarrel, the birds against the monkeys for stolen fruit, the antelope against the buffalo for grazing space, even the frogs quarreled over puddles. Do you have no answer, old shell? I do. But first, tell me, do you hear yourselves? You all speak to be right, but no one listens to understand, and for the first time, silence became sacred in the forest. When the rains failed, so did their patience. Old instincts returned. Hunger, fear, anger, the council broke apart. When wisdom is lost, even the strong become blind. When the storm passed, the forest found him, the old turtle sitting beside a newborn stream. Water flows only when it stops fighting the rocks. So must we. The forest was united, not by force, but by patience. And from that day, whenever quarrels arose, they asked, what would the turtle say? In the wild, time teaches every creature in its own rhythm. Some learn through hunger, some through pain, but only a few through stillness. What if the slowest path was the one that led us home?